What's up guys, and welcome to another video on my channel. Today I want to show you one of the most profitable strategies that I've ever tested on my channel so far. And this strategy relies on only one indicator as a buy and sell indicator and a second indicator as a confirmation indicator. So we are making use of only two indicators as a strategy, which is very simple, and it is a strategy which is working on almost every market in every time frame. And yeah, I would say we will run direct into the strategy and let's go. So this is now how the strategy will look at the end, or how your chart will be look at the end, but I will go and remove everything for you right now. So let's start with our first indicator. As the first indicator, we want the candle exit indicator from Everget. So this one, we load it in. And let's make some minor changes to it. So in the inputs, the ATR period, we want to change from 22 to 1, so 1 over here. And the ATR multiplier, we will change to 2. Then these we will leave like it is. And in the style, we want to uncheck all boxes except for the buy label and the sell label. So let's do this very quick. As you can see, it is looking much more friendly like now. And I personally like to change the position of the labels a little bit. So for the buy label, I like to have the label below the bar, like you can see it here. And for the sell label, I like to have it above the bar, like here. So click OK, and that's the first indicator that we need. The second indicator we want to load in is the ZLSMA from Verifit. So this one, we load it in as well. Let's make some minor changes here as well. So we want to change in the inputs, we want to change the length to 50. Leave everything like it is. And in the style, I personally like to have the line in white, but it's your choice. You can have it in white, red, pink, whatever you like. I change it to white, leave everything like it is, and click OK. And that's your setup. So just two indicators, like it is over here, and you're good to go. So what are now the rules for the strategy and how do we use it? Let's start with a long trade. So for a long position, first, we want to have the market above our white line. Then second, we are looking for a buy signal, like it is here. And if this candle closes, then we will enter the market within the next, or in the next candle, then we will enter the market with a long trade. Our stop loss, so like here, our stop loss, we want to set right below the signal candle. So in this case, our stop loss would be right over here, right below this candle. As we are opening our position over here, the market is moving up, and yeah, we have a very tight stop loss, but with this we will have a high risk reward ratio. So these are our rules for a long trade. Let's put it, maybe we put it here. And as you can see, we have a very good example over here. So we open our position over here, put our stop loss below this candle, and we will exit the market when we get the first red candle. So like here. Maybe I should edit. We will exit first red candle. So like here. And as you can see, we have a risk reward ratio of 4.86, which is quite good. And keep in mind, I like to risk 2% of my capital each trade. So with this stop loss sitting right over here, and a risk reward ratio of 4.86. This will be 2x of the risk reward ratio, so approximately 9.2% gain on the account or something like this with one trade, which is quite good in my opinion. So let's look now to a short position. The short position is quite similar. As you can see, we have a very good example over here. So let's write it down. For a short position, it is more or less the opposite. So we want the market below our line, maybe like this. So we want our market below the line. Then second, we want a sell signal. And with this sell signal, we will open the position and our stop loss will be right above the signal candle, like it is over here, like here. So we open our position right with this next candle, and we are opening the position even if the market was here above the line. The market has closed below the line. We have a sell signal, so our conditions are met, and we are opening the position. We set a stop loss right above this candle, and we will leave the market with the same rule with a long position. So with the first green candle in this case, we will leave the market. So exit will be our first green candle. And as you can see, in this case, we have a risk reward ratio of 2.64, which makes approximately, with 2% risk each trade, we will make approximately 5% gain on our account. And as you can see, when you have very nice movements like this, then you can have within like 30 minutes, we have 5% here, almost 10% here, so approximately 15% gain on our account within 30 minutes. I would say we will now try it out. We will test it 100 times, and you guys can watch me testing this strategy, and then we will see the results. So let's go. So we have finished our backtesting right now, and we are looking to the result. And in my opinion, the result is just overwhelming. It is phenomenal, and it is one of the best strategies that we have tested on this channel so far. So we have tested it on 100 trades. From these 100 trades, we had a win rate of 68%, which is quite good actually. So because from almost all other trades, we went through break even. We had only 2 lost trades from the 100 trades, 68 wins and 30 break evens. We have a total gain on the account of 7,403%, which are $7,403 of win. Then we have a profit factor of 114.38 and an edge score of 96, which is quite good when 100 is the best. Then our largest profit trade were 24% on the win And as we are only risk 2% of our capital in each trade, and our maximum consecutive loss was one consecutive loss, we had a loss, or our largest loss were 2%. Our maximum consecutive wins were 12 wins in a row, which is absolutely insane. And our average win were 6.73% per trade, and our average loss were 2%, which is our risk. And on average, we had a risk-reward ratio of 3.36 to 1. And as we are using 2% of our capital, that's how we end up with the 6.73% on the average win. So in my opinion, this strategy is highly profitable. Yes, in the backtesting, maybe you do not consider the spread on each trade, but even if you get maybe like half of this profit, it would be still highly profitable, and only 50% of this is more than realistic. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video so far. Give the video a like if you haven't done so far. Subscribe to the channel, and then we will see us in the next video with another strategy. So stay tuned, have a nice day, and goodbye.